we also have the example of Argentina and President Milei, which Milei had to take drastic measures, cutting costs in the public sector because economic stability is a critical driver. So what does Milei in Argentina teaches us is that severe economic collapses and volatility, even under radical reforms attempted by President Milei, that massive outmigration is tied directly to collapse of economic opportunity. What does this mean? Not being able to find a job, not being able to generate resources to survive basic needs. Think about how highly educated and skilled workers can't find a job. They're ethically compelled to leave to secure their family's future elsewhere. And think about it, if somebody that is highly skilled and educated can't find a job in their own country, what makes you believe those that don't have the education or the skills can find the same opportunities or a job? They also are tempted to leave their country, their family, and their culture, their friends, and everything they know and everything they love. I want you to see what is the psychological toll when you put yourself in those shoes. Think about what they leave. They leave their language, their family anchor, and their own history behind. But what makes it worse is as they leave, they carry a crippling debt simply for the chance to survive. Because let's be honest, to come either to the United States illegally or to go to Europe, it comes with a big price tag. It's not free and it's not safe. Think about what goes through your mind when you make this decision. Leave a comment. What do you think people that are leaving everything behind think before they take the action of leaving everything they know and they love? Welcome back again, Ethics Skill Podcast, where we explore human experiences. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget our campaign. We are committed to transform your subscriptions into pro bono programs for mental health. So you can free somebody's mind from their traumas and help them heal just by subscribing. Very simple, and it costs absolutely nothing. Help us through this campaign, and we just want to pay forward, not only to our viewers, but for those that can't afford mental health services. Just remember, the statistics are real. Only 4 out of 10 Americans can afford mental health services. So help us change that. Hopefully, we can move the statistics and perhaps move it from 4 to 5 out of 10 people have good mental health